Finding the Voices talk show by Monica Iguodam.
I'm a huge fan of Finding the Voices.
You're doing a great job for Manipur.
Manipur bu prithivida masatak pa
good positive voices and make those voices more visible.
Wanted our voice to reach in all the corners of the world.
Interesting people.
Been finding voices on
People from our own place.
Interest of the Gahina, interest of
share positive stories and inspiring stories and bring out the good stories of Manipur.
Finding the Voices.
I have seen some painting of yours, woman in nude. Can you share a little bit about those paintings?
Yeah, this is a series I think I did in 2015 or something like that. This, maybe it's about 15 painting.
15 paintings.
Yeah, it's almost 15. It's a series.
Okay.
But I think it's almost painter is a painter. We paint through the heart. What I feel, we convert in the canvas. Without the feeling, we can't paint it that way. It reflects definitely. So that it was a time. I don't know, this is a bit personal, but it's okay, like I can share about that. I was falling in love at the time. But we was about to marry also, like everything connected, everything there at the time. So like, there's lots of issue about like family, this, and he want to get married also, all the families all agree, but at the time, I have to choose only one thing. Either I have to get married or either I have to go for the career.
Okay.
It's a very tough decision for me. But after that, I said, why should be a normal woman? If I want to be, then why should I paint? I should go to the college and teach student, and I just get the salary and I can live my married life also. But this is not what I want. This is not what I want.
Means like in that situation you had to make a choice. You couldn't have your career and get married.
To be a painter is very tough to get married. If a boy understand me, then it's fine. But being, like in Manipur, it's very tough to look after the family, look after everything, and you have to paint. So it's not possible. So you have to choose one. I choose career. But it was
heartbreaking for you.
Heartbreaking for me.
And that's what you were expressing.
Yeah. It was me. Like everything was me. Even every painting you will find like I'm like standing in between only, like everything. It was like something, like very like difficult, complicated stage, like whole like I didn't sleep more like 1 month, 2 months. I cry every day, but it was something I struggling myself. If I choose a career, then you have to go on. Pain will be there, but it will times heals everything. This is the only thing. So I have to keep on moving.
But I still didn't understand why a woman has to choose between career and marriage. Why can't it be both?
Oh, like I have something different in mind. Like I don't want to be like a normal painter and finish my whole life. Nothing like that. I want to do something different, because I till now, so I don't have time for the painting. I work whole night also. I prepare whole night. I don't. If I stay alone, then even I don't have time to cook a food also. I don't have the. I used to go out and I have tea. I have to eat bread, boil egg. After that, I paint. I don't have time to cook for myself also. Now, how can I give a time for my husband?
So you felt that you will not do justice for a family life, because once you paint, nothing can interrupt you, and like you said, there is no routine of breakfast or lunch or sleeping time. It's when you get your aspiration and when you start painting, you can't stop.
Yeah. That's why even I realized to be a painter, then it's you have to be yourself only. You can't compromise. If you compromise, you can't do painting. Because even we don't stay in Delhi all the time also. We have no guarantee at all. We used to go every month also. We used to go Himachal. We used to go Goa. It's a group artist. We used to go for the workshop. Every time so we used to go for
So you felt that
week.
marriage will constrain you and you won't
Definitely.
be able to go and participate in all the painting related workshop or event or gallery shows and things like that.
Yeah, nothing.
But it was a very big conflict because you fell in love, and this series was during the phase wherein you were
Yeah.
getting over or trying to adapt that phase.
Yeah. It was not easy.
No, I
but
saw that. I saw the painting and I knew that there was a dark, I could see the darkness through the painting and the pain, of a woman.
I don't know, like, even though I remember the thing was, now I think everything happened for good only. If I was married, then I don't think I will stay here. So I might be staying in Manipur and I might be doing, some school job and finish my life. But now I don't have, no, I know at the time I was clear enough. I know vision, I know where to go and where I have to stop. That's why I have the pain, but I have to go through that one. I did it, and now even I'm happy. Like I didn't regret. I lost. Like I still love him. Nothing. It was nothing like that. It was like dark time, but still I go through, and now whatever I am, I think I'm happy.
You
for
have
that.
accepted. You're
I
like
agree
everything
with that.
happened for the best, and of course, I mean, when you're in love and you have to go through that phase of letting go, it will be a dark time.
Very dark time.
So what is your plan for the coming years? Like what kind of series you have in mind for paintings and what kind of
Now
work?
so I'm doing some series now more, but I'm focusing. Before I was focusing on childhood memory.
Yes.
Now I'm focusing to like mom and kid.
Mom and kid. Ah,
I already
that's
started as a painting also.
all right.
I don't know, like I don't have enough like time for my mom. I never expressed to her, but it's reflected me, and I want to put this series. Now I'm gonna start at that one, that whole emotional attachment which I can't express.
You want to
I
do
want to
it through your
express in the
painting.
painting.
Yes. So it's kind of dedicated to your mom.
Yeah,
At least the childhood phase wherein you felt connected and revived that.
yeah.
Yeah, I look forward to that series. So how many paintings have you done so far? I know that there are many,
Lot.
but
More than I think 200, 300.
200, 300. So how long does it take? Like what is the medium you use? Is it
Now I'm doing pastel on paper.
pastel on
And
paper?
this one also I do like acrylic on canvas.
Okay,
I hardly use oil.
okay,
So like now the pastel on paper only before
Okay.
I acrylic on canvas.
okay. And you will continue on the
Yeah,
pastel?
pastel on paper.
Okay.
Because even this one is a good experience for me. Like I started doing, it was last year only, I started doing pastel. So for the one technique, you have to learn one technique, it takes long process.
Of course.
Lots of experiment and everything. Then now
Right.
I'm adapted with this
And
like
you're
this medium.
comfortable.
Now I'm comfortable. And I got like good response for that also.
Okay.
So I feel like I'll a bit
You'll continue with that.
If I go bored, then I'll yes, the medium I get that.
Yeah. So what about, can you share a little bit about your exhibitions and the different locations you have shown your work?
Yeah, till now I think it's more than 50 exhibition a group. So solo so to till now four. I did one in Delhi, one in IIC, two in this India Habitat Center, and I did in Manipur also.
Yes, I saw the
Yeah.
picture of that.
That's a solo show. And group show I have done many.
Okay.
Mumbai, Bangalore, Taiwan, Korea, lots.
So can you share a little bit about the recognition you have received so far? From like what kind of feedback have you received from your viewers and audience of your painting? Like what had touched your heart?
Yeah, that's like now I'm happy with that also. Like whatever I get good comment or a bad comment now, I'm very happy for that. Now because like through the Facebook also, I got lots of appreciation and lots of client also. So I never thought like in the Facebook also client will come.
Okay,
But
so
the
they
client
saw
come.
your work and then they
Yeah,
want
even
some.
I also wonder like it come from the sometime from USA, from UK. This is like I saw in the Facebook this and that or something good. Like I feel good. Like somebody's interested in my painting also. They're like through the Facebook. It's not the original painting also. And after that, the good thing is if they buy the painting, they hang in the wall.
Then
Somebody
sees
see
it.
and someone say, I saw that you're painting in that, and I want it. I like it. It's something good, you know. They feel so good. Like it's connected. Like someone is hanging the painting, and somebody took the number, like, and somebody called me up for that painting.
Okay.
That's very awesome. And the good thing is in the Manipur, I never expect that Manipur also going to have a, you know, like a good respect as an artist. I never expect, and I think it was a first exhibition I did. This one is this year January. So I thought that I was dreaming like from long time that I have to do exhibition in Manipur, because in the Facebook all the people get come in from that come do in Manipur. I want to see your painting. I was planning, but I never thought okay, I have to do. And this time I said let's do it, let's see. And I did it, and good response. Lots of people through the Facebook. So I'm a big fan of you. I feel so good. Like at least people understand the value of painting, painter. And one day I was like going back to Delhi, in the airport, somebody said, are you Meena Laishram the painter? I said, yes. Oh, let me take a selfie. That's something good feeling, you know, like at least people understand art and respect the artist. The main thing is respect the artist.
Right. Because I mean, traditionally people don't consider painting to be a high career profile.
I know. Even now also, like I think more of a, I can say like 100%, like 60% people are unknown to this career also.
Right, of course.
If I go back to home and say, what do you do? Say, I'm a painter. Then how many salary you got? No, I said, I work for myself. I don't have a salary fixed. I said, then how do you live? There's so many questions like that. Then like all my, you know, my mom also, even they don't understand about this. They always they call me up, said, okay.
So did your mom come and see your exhibition in Imphal? So
yeah.
what did she say? No expression, I bet. I should go and interview your mom and let her express.
Definitely.
Because I really want to improve the expression within our society.
We need to. And
but I'm sure you were like waiting for her expression and what comments she is going to give about your work.
No expression.
But no expression. But I'm very sure she must have felt something, but it's just that we are challenged.
But she will never express to me.
Okay, I'll go one day and interview her.
And like they're like up to me, like have a job, go for the school job, like
because they want the security and fixed salary.
Yeah, fixed salary. And
okay, so since we are talking about money, can you share? I mean, not in exact figure, but to let our viewer understand how well off can you sustain being a painter and the kind of commission work you get.
Painting, they don't have like fixed money. If you get it anything like more than 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. If you don't get it, then but the thing is, you have to take the risks. Without the risks, you can't go on your life. You can't be a painter. The good part is that like commission work, we have to work the commission work.
Of course,
have done lots
because
of
you have to
work.
sustain your living. You have to pay your rent and everything.
Definitely.
And of course the material, right?
The people, even I'm good enough in the like a portrait, portrait. So I don't never put my portrait commission work in the Facebook because I don't want to be like mixed up, because it's a very like difficult thing. If you started your own style, it's very difficult to maintain. So if you
so you generally share your creative work and separate out the commission work. Because you don't want to mingle and I guess put a or like confuse the viewer with what you do. Okay.
But even it's not about the commission work. So even though in painting or if in exhibition you can earn good money, but you have to know how to market yourself. But even I was discussing to my brother also yesterday. You like every opening exhibition we have to attend there. The problem in the I can't blame with them also. Even in hardly in Delhi, after the master Manipur artists, they can't stuck here because I don't know, like they went back to Manipur and they work for the like school, some tuition, and they finish their life. It's not easy to stuck in Delhi and being an artist, a freelance artist, you have to stuck. But the moreover thing is, you have to market yourself also. You have to attend every exhibition. It's very important.
Right, because in the opening, the artists have to speak about the work.
Speak about the work also. Then you have to attend somebody like an artist, like famous artist exhibition also. At the time, whole artists come up. You have to interact. You have to discuss your work. You have to like discuss about your idea. That's the main thing. But nobody come up there. I just wonder why.
So you feel that like there may be many talents in Manipur, but because a lot of people choose the traditional salaried work, so not many people take the risk of being an artist and freelance and kind of take the risk of you may get money, you may not get money, you may sell it, you may not sell it, but it's your passion which is driving you in your case.
Passion, and one thing is confidence. Confidence. You should believe yourself.
Yes. If you don't believe yourself, then who will believe you? That's my motto. So what has been your highest paid commission work so far?
Commission work, though, I don't have that much, I don't got that much money. Like for the portrait, I charge around 60,000 bucks. For that is like 2 feet by 3 feet around there. Commission work is keep on going small, but moreover, I earn money from my painting only, that creative one.
Okay. Because people choose from your creative one.
Yeah, creative one. And it's like around, it was my first exhibition I see. It was almost like 50% of the painting is sold out. Around like 8-9 lakhs, so it's earned. But so
how did you feel like, because you had the experience of working as a waitress and then you get so much money from your painting, so what was your feeling at that time? Because I know you cried.
It was good feeling, but the thing is like that time money, when you being an waiter and you get 80,000 bucks at the time, and after painting, whole struggle, and you get the money, there's lots of difference between that money also. And now like I'm a bit good, like if I get the money, if I go back to the home, I feel like I should buy something for my mom, for my sister. I used to go, I feel happy for that. Okay, at least now I can buy something for them.
You're financially independent.
And if I told my mom, what you want? She will always say, I don't want nothing. But I know, like I want to buy something. I said, your fridge is not working. Shall I buy your fridge? No, I don't need. But still, I went and buy that. This is, the smile. Get it?
Monica, Finding the Voices.
Finding the Voices.
Finding the Voice.
I could see my father. Who came to meet my headmaster because he was unable to pay the fee. I'm sorry.
Because we need such story for people to have faith in the government, in the system, that yes, it's working.
Let's bring peace in our home state, Manipur.
Who have got the job without bribery. They'll do justice to their job and they will help raise the standard of Manipur.
Me machine creado. I adu paraga tingogi.
Nè, hai đi. Hai đi đi, và con.
So what do you think about the rituals in Manipur, particularly the rituals generally are very long, right? Marriage, children related, departed. So I think I'm trying to focus the question more on what do you think about the rituals in Manipur and how do they balance the work and attendance?
Like about what? Ritual?
Because most of the rituals are very long and it's done like based on the horoscope and things like that, right? And
I don't support them at all.
And also, if you don't attend or you attend, like there are some social obligation. But I have always wondered how people balance work, because when I see work culture in US or any other places, it's kind of very strict Monday to Friday, and when I see the rituals and the extensive amount of time, I just wanted to know like some opinion and thoughts on those.
I think even I don't know, like I don't like the ritual long time about like Manipur. So I don't follow it at all. Because like even from my childhood also, like my mom's Christian, my dad's like Hindu, so we never like have a restriction that you have to go this one, you have to do that, nothing like that. Okay, you have to attend this one, you have to do this a long time. So like I think shortcut is a good best thing because nobody has much time for that. Like now why we have to follow the ritual, like it's happened for a long time. Like like even in Manipur, so in marriage, so before that hygiene board, after that marriage, after that this, that, lots of things. So it can be in short time, just finish it up. We don't have much. It's a waste of money, waste of time and everything.
Do you watch movie?
I like it.
What kind of movie?
I like more of a documentary film.
Documentary.
Yeah.
So do you at all watch Bollywood movie?
I like old movie. It's like Savannah movie type.
Okay,
old type, not a like a documentary type. I like Savannah's movie.
So what do you feel about Priyanka Chopra playing Mary Kom?
Priyanka Chopra, it was good, not bad. But more of a the character and everything. It was not exactly. But it was good. It was Priyanka. It was good. Now, if it was like Aishwarya or someone, that will be worse than that.
But did you feel that like somebody from the Northeast should have, or from Manipur should have been given an opportunity to play Mary Kom?
Definitely, thought so. Definitely. But that also the problem is a language problem. Because I don't think in the Manipur there's not such an actor they can fluently speak Hindi, English, whatever. So the language.
So you feel that
up.
the artists in the movie industry in Manipur needs to improve to come up and play roles in Bollywood.
Definitely.
So we have a very low participation of the Northeast, particularly of Manipur, in the national media.
Okay.
There are only a couple of voices. Be it in TV or talk show or any other conference which are being hosted at the India level. So what is your thoughts on that and opinion?
I think a bit like compare from like last 5 years and now it's a bit improved. Now people started interacting everything. Now people is coming up. But there's a good start. But I think it should be more. People should come up and participate in everything.
So you have been an artist like in Delhi for a long time. Has any media come to you to give comments on any issues or anything to represent Manipur?
Not exactly, but then I did my exhibition at that time. It was Asian Ace and it was the Hindu DNA, everything. Lots of come up. So they have an interview and they have published it also. That at the time, it was like. Because my paintings are related to Manipur, so it comes automatically. It's come the Manipur part.
But they wrote more about you and focused about you.
Yeah.
Okay. So I personally have a very strong interest and apathy towards the high rising mental illness in Manipur and the suicide case in Manipur or of Manipuris all over. So I just wanted to ask you about any opinion, thoughts on this topic.
I think the problem is even the society, the family and everything. Nowadays, like we lose connection about like expression and everything. That's the main problem. We never like express to like if you have a problem that like you can sit with your family, talk about that, speak out. You can like share with your friend and everything. But the people is lack of, I don't know, like connection or expression, something.
So what, like, you know, all of us go through dark moments. So what would you, like, what is your coping mechanism?
At a time. Yeah, we have a dark phase only.
Right.
We feel like dying. We feel like suicide. Even I try once or so. I try once or so, to be frank. But the more of a thing is, at the time, we should see the people who is like more low than us. At the time, like at the time, I was feeling so low also. But when I look back, there's lots of millions of people who don't have food to eat, who don't have place to sleep. They're roaming around.
So you
they
see
nothing.
that you are more fortunate.
Yeah, when I see them, then I see like, well, my problem is nothing, just nothing at all. See them, they are still surviving. Why cannot I?
So that is how you cope.
Yeah, I think that's a good thing. Like if you at the time, like we feel like I'm going to die. I have nothing to in my life. I finished my life, nothing like that. But we will look back to dead people who have nothing in their life and still surviving. Still like driving a auto, rickshaw, everything. They're earning for like one day food. See them, we are nothing. Our problem is just nothing at all.
So when, I mean, I know it's personal, but do you want to share about your personal experience about your low phase and coming out of it?
Yeah, that is all related to my boyfriend.
Okay.
Ex-boyfriend,
Okay.
So because it was almost 4 years, we was almost like, you know, like close, and we know each other about like family too. That and even their families agree to get married. Like everything is ready. But like I was the only one. Like I don't know like what life. I have to move on. I can't go either that way and I can't go either way. But I have to choose one. That's the thing. I choose my career. But it was not easy for me. Like leaving everything and focus on your career. It was dark phase, but I never regret. It was everything's happened for good.
Yeah, the reason why I thought I'll start speaking about mental illness and suicide cases, because I feel really sad to see many people from Manipur, particularly coming out of Manipur, and then we read in the newspaper, right? And I feel that the person, whoever has done it, must have felt so alone and isolated, and in a strange city. Yeah, and so I thought speaking out and sharing with all our viewers would help. We'll help each other. That yes, we also go through the dark moment, but we have to be strong to overcome that. All right, so last one. What about the mob culture and public taking the law in the hands in Manipur, and we see like a lot of burning houses, cases and things like that?
I really hate it, to be frank. I really hate it. I don't like it at all. I don't understand, like, this government has made another law, and even in Manipur, still in Manipur, in the colony they have another law, like if somebody is doing wrong, then they're gonna burn the whole down. What's like connection with if one family member is doing the bad thing, then why they have to burn the whole house? Some other member they are staying also. But I don't support them about that. So we need to change. It's all about the mentality also. Now I think it's a bit changing, but we need more to change. More to change. So it's all about the good thing is stop the burn, or like give the children good education. That is the main thing. Without the education, it will happen obviously. So the good education, mentality, and everything. So we have to stop this one.
Okay, so these are questions which I got from Big Talk, and again, like, it can be very short, whatever comes to your mind. What's your number one priority today?
Today, career.
Painting and painting.
Career is there.
What is your relationship with your mother right now?
It's not good.
You would like to improve?
Yeah, definitely.
What do you dream of? Like, you want to share everything openly?
I want to, but you know, the gap. There's a problem. I don't know how to now. I don't know how to express. There's a problem. I don't know how to speak. I don't know how to comfort with her. That's why I took the series.
The
like
new
Mom
series
said,
for mother and
I want to like express through the painting only.
Okay. What do you value that doesn't cost money? Relationship. What was the most impactful event in your life?
It was my first solo show.
So you felt like very proud of having a solo show.
Yeah.
Wow. What is your earliest memory of achievement?
Yeah, maybe it was the last year of December. Not December, that's January. That one, the Manipur exhibition. Because I never expect that it will be, you know, like
a good response from the people of Manipur.
Many fans will come up. I never expect that. It was a good, you know, like good feeling, good. I feel like good achievement.
What gives you hope?
Hope. I think my family.
Your family. So besides your mother, who are you closest to? Like in your family. So you have a challenge of expression within your family.
Yeah.
What about your friends?
I don't buy the concept called friend because I have very bad experience about a friend. Because in this field, you know, painter, it's not more less than actors, whatever, having model. It's not less than that. Everybody have a competition to each other. Nobody speak on
so
the
you
face.
feel
It's
it's
like
very competitive.
No, it's not about competitive also. If a competitive is fine, I'm okay with that. It's like everybody is ready to, you know, like put it down anytime. Anytime. It can be happen anytime. So I didn't trust anyone at all.
So you haven't met the right people.
Yeah, I have some people, but I can't say like best friend. But yeah, friend is fine. But in this career, I can't trust anyone.
Because of your experience, you still have a wall around you to
But it was
protect
good.
yourself.
It happened. If it doesn't happen, I will be blind going there. I don't know. Like I will give all the client to them also. After that is a good shock for me. That after that, what I get it, that after that I defend myself. Oh, that's it.
So how do you express love? How do you show your love for somebody?
I'm very poor in that thing. I don't know how to express. That's a problem that's happening. So whole problem is because of that only. I have love for my mom. I love my brothers, but I don't know how to express. That's a problem.
Yeah, it is kind of interesting because I have seen many creative people, maybe in the field of painting, even writers, are poor in expression with people whom they are close. And I think in their strive to express themselves, they excel in their creative world.
That's the whole problem come up with that only. With my mom, with my brother, because I don't know how to express.
You don't know how to express. All right, so I don't know how much you know about Finding the Voices, but of the little you know, I want to hear about what you feel, what feedback you have, what suggestion or anything about Finding the Voices.
You know, like I feel so, you know, feel good. I feel appreciated. At least somebody has started this one about the Manipur, like because like even in forget about the world, like art. It's all about even in India also. If we say like where are you from, we say like from Manipur. Some people doesn't know where is from Manipur. Where is Manipur? Is it in Thailand? I feel like you're staying in India and you don't know where is Manipur. And you know, like in Manipur, there's lots of talented in even the painting, everything, even the in the art field also, there's lots of, but nobody, you know, like nobody recognize, like we need someone to push it up. You know, we need to show the world also. It's there, like still people exist in Manipur. There's lots of talent people over there. So somebody has to do that job, like to explode any promotion, whatever. You have to show the world. And it's a very good thing you started. I feel so happy for that.
No, and I'm happy that all my guest speaker has been so kind and welcoming and sharing their story from their heart, and I think that makes our show complete, and it's an initiative. I'm just a host and I guess a vehicle for Finding the Voices, but behind we have a lot of supporters and they tell me who inspires them or who empowers them, and they only arrange for me, you know, sometimes like. So I just go and I'm just a waiter. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing your story today.
Thanks
and
a lot.
we wish you good luck.
Thank you.